I know that you use technical analysis in some of your trading, and previously you were a skeptic of that. I think I'm someone who's still not in the skeptical camp. I'm just in the camp of people who haven't yet spent enough time learning and understanding technical analysis. Was there a moment that changed your mind? And can you share a little bit about how you use that today?
I think there were moments that changed my mind when I just like seen it work enough times. I'd say like the technical analysis that I know is like my thesis on it. The way I describe it is like if you think about trading, I forget what book I read this in. It might have been Soros or someone else, but basically like you don't want to know what the dumbest person in the room is going to do because most people are dumb. If you understand what they're going to do and you just do that, you'll make a lot of money. You either want to be the dumbest person in the room or like understand what the dumbest person in the room is going to do or be the smartest person in the room. But it's really tough to be the smartest person in the room because you start telling yourself all this stuff. You say, well, if I was going to do that, and then the market knew that I was going to do that, and then the market does this, and then I do this, then the market's going to do that, and you psych yourself out. And unless you're literally the smartest person in the world, you're going to mess that trade up because you'll go too many stacks deep, or you're not actually the smartest person. So that's really tough. But I think if you can figure out what the main average kind of like animal spirits person in the market will do and trade according to that, you'll do well, I think. And so then if you think about that and you apply to technical analysis, basically I'd say like the technical analysis I know is like fairly basic stuff. I see some people draw really, really complicated TA and like nobody in the market's paying attention to that stuff because nobody else understands it. The TA that markets move off of is quite simple, especially in crypto. Equities market, far more efficient. None of this applies. But in crypto, I think simple TA tends to work because a large portion of the market's paying attention to it. I've seen it work enough where I've kind of converted from a huge skeptic of it, thinking it was incredibly stupid, to thinking it's something that actually works. And the last thing I'll say on this is I was always a skeptic because like you couldn't quantitatively like prove that it worked. And the reason why you couldn't do that is because it's like on quant models, you're trying to do something on a daily basis or an hourly basis, some fine time frame, and find like small alphas over those. But technical analysis, when you have large alphas, it's not like that. There's a handful of really massive TA alphas in a given year. And so you can create a systematic model of that and play it out, and it would probably make money. But it's not like you're going to have daily trades. If you try to do it on daily trades, you're going to lose money, which is why like people who get those TA books and they trade every day on it, must be some people in the world who make money off of it, but very few. That's kind of my thesis on it.